What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rambo, back at you with another one. Rambo. So right now, we got some bad news. I don't know what happened to the truck last night, but as I was driving down the highway going to my aunt's house, it just shut off. Like, all the gauges went down, everything stopped working and whatnot. So I'm sitting on the side of the road. I was on the side of the road for like 4.5 hours waiting on the tow truck. Finally get there. Well, the tow truck finally get there. And so I couldn't put my windows up. Like, my radio don't work. Like, nothing like that works. My horns don't work. I can lock the truck, but I can't, you know. And then when the tow truck bring my truck in, all these scratches happened because of the tree when it was on top. And then he busted the water line. He busted our water line right there. It's like right in here. So basically inside the house we ain't got no water. So I might try this one last trick that somebody told me to try. The battery cables. I'm gonna try that right quick, but I gotta call the dealership anyway. Because all this is, hopefully it's powertrain. Because all that's still under warranty. But yeah, that was the craziest thing I ever seen. And then like I can't get my key out. Like the key is stuck in there. I can't get my key out. Yeah, no, I'm like, I can't, like it allocates in part, but it ain't. Well, you know, yeah, so I had to put a sheet over it, cover it up, because my windows won't go up. My windows won't go up. So, hold on. I'm gonna set y'all up, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do. I'm about to try. Alright, so I tried just about everything that people said in the Facebook group to do, but I'm gonna try this one last trick before I call. They said it could possibly be a loose battery cable that popped loose. So we about to we're gonna try this. Let's see if it works. Do not turn anything. Yeah, my wife's out here now and she doesn't really have a clue what she's doing. Or they did say it could possibly be a bad alternator. So yeah, hopefully that's what it is. That's not that much. Plus I just got this alternator put on here, so that's not. Plus that was the one I just got put on here. That one's still under warranty. So time to call a dealership. Time to call a dealership. Alright, y'all, a little update. As y'all can see, what I tried didn't work. So we got a tow truck coming, they're on the way. So we about to go to Dodge Land, one of my favorite places. And yeah, and my wife, she's sitting here, she tried to help me, but it didn't really work. Now I'm saying that she can't help, but it's just more serious situation than we thought.
Agreed.
So I'm about to go to Dodge Land, sit there for a little bit, but you know, I'm gonna sit there to let them tell me what's going on. But then after that, you know, I get to roaming, and I'm gonna roam out there to the lot. And my wife said I'm not allowed to bring any more cars to the house.
No, I didn't say that. I said do not park any more cars in the yard.
AKA I can't get another one.
Again, I did not say that, y'all. I said do not park cars. Do not let the tow truck drop your car off in the middle of the yard. Back up and let them see where you parked it.
Nah, that ain't important. But see,
Tell them what else you did.
it kind of wasn't totally my fault.
It was totally your fault. You should have had the tow truck come right.
Cause all right, this is the damage, and then it busted a pipe or something right here, and it crushed that. But here's the thing, all this was covered in dirt, so technically we didn't see it. It was all covered in dirt. I mean, I'll get all this redone. That ain't a problem. But everything down there was covered in dirt, so technically it's not fully my fault. Can't nobody see a little baby flag? Can't even see that flag.
Show them the flag.
Can't even see that flag.
Show them the flag.
Where the other one at? Since we ran over it there, where the other one at? Yeah, the other one over there.
You ran over it.
No, we didn't. My dad ran over that one. That wasn't me. And that one ain't got nothing to do with what's going on over here. What you talking about? It was flags out here. This flag right here. That flag way over there.
Ran over.
But the issue ain't over there. The issue over here.
It's a flag right beside it.
This flag ain't been harmed.
But they should have known not to put the car right there.
How are we supposed to know that?
Because it's a flag.
You drive through the yard every day.
No, sometimes I go.
Yeah. Okay, and sometimes you go through here.
You don't know that.
Hell, as much as we know, you probably broke that, and you never even know.
Don't you start with me. I was not high until last night. Don't try to take the blame off of me. Try to take the heat off of your behind in front of all of these YouTube viewers.
I ain't got a lot of viewers yet, but after this, it might go up. So, yeah, I guess we about to just sit around here and wait on the tow truck. Well, she gotta go to the store, so I'll be here. Ain't you going to the store?
What store I gotta go to? What I gotta do? Wait on the plumber to come fix this?
Here I go. Here I go buy some pipe. I wonder how much that's gonna cost. It shouldn't cost much. It's just right there.
Malik, he gonna have to dig it up, repipe it down.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
water back on.
That's what I'm saying. It's not like a lot. Like, it's not like the whole thing right here is messed, like, toe up. It's just that one little part. It's probably just a cut out, install a new one. That's it. And then plus, you don't gotta dig.
Why you not gotta dig?
It's inside of something. Alright, hold on. Alright, y'all, so now the tow truck finally got here. But I can't ride one, so I gotta wait for my wife to get back so I can ride first. So go to Dodge and see what's wrong with this thing. And then the plumber also came out, and it turns out it's actually in front of the water line, so the city would have to come fix it. Alright, damn. So that's what the break is. So she said they're gonna send somebody out today to come fix it. We just don't know what time they're coming, or at least look at it. And Rambo's leaving. Yeah, Rambo's leaving, so we're about to head back in here and call the wife and head to Dodge Lane. Alright, catch y'all at Dodge Lane. Alright, so little update. We're not gonna find out what's wrong with it today. So, because I ain't gonna lie, it is a lot of cars out here. He said he probably won't know anything until Monday. But I gotta go buy a truck cover to cover this truck because I'm not trying to have this thing swamped with water. But, so I'm gonna have to catch y'all in the next video. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the next one. Peace. Alright, y'all. Y'all thought I was done. But as y'all can see, I'm back in Rambo. We got him back. So it turns out it was some wiring to the fuse box. I guess it was my train horn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a smaller extra battery to put under my back seat and wire it up that way. That way I can cut some of the wires out too. That might cost me another $150, $200 to do. But hey, it saves my truck. So all that matters. But we back in this thing, that's all that matters. And We got some car meets coming up, so y'all gonna get all that content too. Y'all got my cousin David with me.
What's going on, RAMBO gang?
But yeah, now make sure y'all go below, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Like this video, man. We going up from here. All right, y'all. I'm out. Peace.